to Random Reviews and How-Tos. Today I'm going to review the Graco FastAction Travel System Stroller. As you can see, still pregnant. I'm hoping the more baby reviews, the more the baby hears and the baby will come out. Alright, I didn't put it all together yet because I wanted to show you how it comes out of the box. But this came out just like this, the car seat, and the stroller like this. Okay, it wasn't hard to put together. All it came with were the wheels, the tray table, and the rod that needs to go onto the stroller. I already assembled one of the wheels, but I wanted to show you how to do the others. First of all, to open it, see this band I'm holding onto? That is your open. Probably could have done it a little less awkward than that, but anywho. The front wheels are very, very simple. There's a rod here, hole here, you just click it on. That was it, it's easy. Okay, now the back, I already did put the one lock on. Okay, comes with another lock obviously, and two wheels. Yes, I'm out of breath because I'm 9 months pregnant lifting a stroller. But bear with me, okay? You want to actually put both brakes on first, then the rod. There we go. Okay. So now that the rod is through, as you can see, let me show you the difference. There's your two wheels. This one has nothing on it yet. It comes with a plastic part, which is right here. And it actually goes on this side. So not the side where it's sticking out. You want the smooth, indented side to put your plastic piece in. Let's put the wheel on. Click again. Click. That was easy. Wow. This little black piece. This rod was out when I pulled it out of the box. I clicked it in. Let me show you what I need on this side. Oh, you might want to secure those a little bit better. So here is that plastic piece. And here is your metal rod. Another click. Tray table, let's see. Right in here on the sides, you pull this piece away, and this is where it will slide right in. All right, so we are rocking and rolling with this stroller now. As you can see, it glides super easy, very lightweight, so kind of helps, I guess, when you put all the pieces together that they give you in the box. All right, so this has two cup holders and a spot for a cell phone or maybe a wallet. And then down here, the child, two cup holders as well, maybe a snack, maybe a game. As you can see, currently laying down, but this has adjustable straps to change for when your child grows. If you want to sit your child up, back here is a little lever that you push down on and you slide it one way or the next for the up or down. Incline or sit straight forward. So now that you have seen the stroller itself, I want to show you the infant car seat and the base that it also comes with. Only one base. So if you have two vehicles, you're going to want to purchase a separate base. And actually, this Graco base is compatible with any Graco car seat, okay? Not just the one that comes in this box. So over here, your base. Back here is your red clip. Pull up on the clip, bring your car seat out. Okay, and you'll see two small divots on each side, and that is where the car seat fits want to block your baby out from the sun. You click on your red clips right here, both sides, push in and push down. Bring the canopy up and bring this one over and bam! Completely covered by sun, bugs, rain, any kind of weather or anything going on, which is kind of cool. All right, and this car seat I want to show you also has four different levels where you can move and adjust the straps so it's not too tight on the baby's collarbones. All right. Again, you want to push in on your red clips and pull this up before you take the baby out, okay? Pull on your red clips on the back and you're ready to go. All right, guys, I think that's it. Just to fold it up again, you'll see it's a strap that the child sits on. Pull it up, one easy pull, and you're good to go, good to store, which is why I like this too. It's very small and compact, so if you're limited on storage in your car, this is very light and very can compact easily. So anywho, that is it for the Graco FastAction SE stroller. 25% more smaller fold, and yes it is, my friends. So click and subscribe below, don't forget it. And if you want to purchase this, we got it at Target for $169. Okay, see you next time, hopefully with the baby out.